chicken tortilla soup. You see? So it's got onions, the sweet potato, carrots, and Irish potato, and corn, and the chicken strips. We'll add everything together. We have celery and chopped pepper, and I'm going to squeeze the lemon, and then I put everything together. This is an onion, and I'll add everything in this. The hard part. So I'll cook this for 5 minutes. This is our timer, 5 minutes. Alright, so this is how it's gonna be. And now the chicken, everything, 5 minutes, everything. Just this much.
Yeah, I mean,
To
you
eat.
got the right address, you just get it, put it on for that order. But I added it before.
Not too much. That's
Right.
it.
Nice. Oh, my sister-in-law is for me. Just put it
Right.
and it makes it feel good to be kicked out, so. That they had, right? Yeah. That's what I was hoping it was.
These tomato chops. And then get my salad.
Yeah, it's whenever I get it at a restaurant, I ask them for some wine. I love sour.
Oh, baby, but oh, okay. So that's how I'll time. I'll just turn it a little bit. Turn it. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh, so this one, oh my goodness. So just make sure the potatoes, the collards, everything is cooked, but not overcooked. Okay, so this is good. Almost 8 minutes boiling. So now I'm going to add the greens for 7 minutes. Add everything. The greens, you don't need to boil. Just cover it for like 10 minutes. And it'll be done, so you don't need to boil it, but it's up to you.
Yeah.